Hi, Blair here with MXM, and we've been talking a lot about the visits to virus ratio and the incredibly rare occurrence of COVID-19, even coming through clubs or being tracked back to even somebody visiting the club with COVID-19, and certainly demonstrates that the guidance that clubs are following and putting in place, even when an employee or a member comes in and works a shift or works out at the club with COVID-19, the methods are working really well. It doesn't spread in a club. But now it's time to put that data to work. Today, we're releasing a one sheet on how you can use the data in your own market for your own advertising and marketing, but also with your policymakers. It's some Q&A. There's some Q&A in there. So if somebody asks, how was the data collected? What's the accuracy of the data? You'll have great answers for that. Some other recommendations on how to use the data. And sort of what all the numbers are, so that you have the numbers for you, even if you want to use it in a video like this, talking to your own members, your own potential members out there. Even if you are reopened, we need to start utilizing this data on a continuous basis, from a bottom up, every club operator out there, and a top down, large organizations. IRSA, we're going to get a huge lift from IRSA on this coming up about the first week of September, and a big PR push around it. But we have a heavy lift here in our industry to rebrand our industry, to be the standard setter for sanitation, health, wellness, more tied to medical community, where we should have been all along. So this is just the beginning. Collecting that data is just the beginning. It's time to put it to use. You can contact us, support at MXMetrics.com, and ask for a copy of the one sheet. We'll be taking it out to our customers and those that participated with us in sharing their visits to virus ratios from their own companies. You can also request your state numbers. One caveat on that: we only give state numbers where there are at least 100,000 check-ins. So we have at least 100,000 check-ins in 33 states. So you can have the metadata, and you can also request the state data. Support at MXMetrics.com. And if you want to see the numbers, and if you want a graphic for your social media sites, go to MXMetrics.com and just look at the graphic on our homepage. Take the data, make your own graphics. Please reference MXM as you use the data. That's it. It's time to start ramping back out of this a little bit faster and changing the minds and perceptions out there. And you know, I'll add one more thing to this. This isn't trying to put a nice spin on a bad environment. This is just saying what our environments actually are. They're safe, they're clean. We know where people are in our clubs. The social distancing is outstanding. Our contact tracing, etc. So let's get the data out there. Thanks for listening.